Using the scanner can help you also to draw your margins for the perfection of the marginal fit of your restoration. Here you can see activate the margin tool, and then you start add points to the margins where you want to put your restoration margins. It also gives you the tools that you can edit these margins after you finish its drawing. You can magnify, you can edit a point. As you can see, when you stop at a point, it enlarges and allows you to move this point wherever you want, just to adjust your margins, that you are going then to use it at the CAD program to draw the margins of your crown. Thank you.